Once Doug and Hunter got the wheels installed on the Roadrunner, we were able to send it off and get the headliner and the vinyl top installed. As soon as we got the car back from the upholstery shop, I was able to start on the final assembly. All right, let's start with the center.
Okay.
All right, and that just goes right above the little header piece.
Should be pretty easy.
Yeah, we can just finger tighten these for now.
Okay.
It doesn't really matter which end of the car we start on for the assembly, but one of the things I like to do is to start on the front of the car and work my way towards the back. So on the 69 Roadrunner, the first thing we installed is the grille assembly. This grille is a new reproduction part from Classic Industries. You can order the grille and the headlight bezels at the same time. They look really great, and you save a lot of time restoring some of the original ones, depending on what the quality of that original part was.
And then I have one more, wait.
One more, probably got the back corner?
Oh,
right here?
nope.
Yep, there you go. Yeah, you can probably push that in just a little bit.
There you go. I'm afraid to put pressure on these. I feel like they'll snap easily.
Oh yeah, it's thin, but there we go.
Oh, there we go, okay.
Awesome.
So I've really been hounding people around the shop to come and get me if they need an extra set of hands. For one, it gets me out of the parts department, and two, it gives me more experience. So I really like it. I like to help out. I hate being stuck up in the parts room. That can get really boring. Plus, I think this is the first 1969 Roadrunner that I've done a front end and grille on. Okay.
Awesome. Get this side.
Okay, I see.
What?
That looks a lot easier. You did all yours in the time it took me to do one.
I do this all day long. I'll hold this one in place. Got the screws right there.
Okay. And now there's one chrome one, and you said that goes...
Yeah, the chrome one
over here?
Goes right up top.
Okay.
Make sure these are all lined up good, too. There you go.
Fit around the chrome piece.
Yeah, they don't give you a lot of clearance. When installing the headlight bezels, it doesn't really matter which one you start first. But you just have to remember to keep everything loose, and at the very end, you can make your final adjustments.
Okay.
Yeah, so...
How would you put it on?
Right there, yeah. See, they just like to walk around.
Nice. Nice,
Boom,
wow,
there.
that looks
There's
good.
the grill, yeah. And I think the next thing we can do is, you want to put a bumper in?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Hopefully that's easy too.
Charger's 6 or V8 model is a price leader with a price tag below last year's. 3-speed manual on the column is standard with the 225/6 and 318 V8, and it's fully synchronized on all V8 models. Changes gates slicker than an Eastern show horse. This all-vinyl bench is standard in the Charger. All Chargers got it, and it ain't offered on the 500 or the RT.